Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use text function in Excel. So let's start this my Excel. Here you can see name list, and here I'm going to use the proper function. Simply select the cell used is equal to and enter here the proper, and select here the proper function, then select the text and bracket closed and enter. That's it. Here you can see your name is converted into proper case. Simply select it and drag this function below the cell, and you can see the all name is converted in the proper case. Second, I'm going to use the uppercase. Simply select the enter the is equal to and enter here the uppercase, and then select the cell, bracket closed and enter. Same as you can see the text is converted in the uppercase. Drag the below this function, and here you can see the all name is converted into uppercase. And lowercase, simply use the is equal to, use the lowercase. Okay, and select the text, bracket closed and enter. And here you can see the full name in lowercase. Drag the function below the cell, and here you can see all name is showing in lowercase. You can check here, all name is showing the properly lowercase. And here the last function is len. You can count here the characters of numbers. Okay, so I just select the cell is equal to, enter here the len, and select the text and bracket closed and enter. You can see the 12 length number of character here showing. Okay, so Aryan is indicate 5 characters, Sharma is indicate 6, 5 or 6, 11, and also count the space between the Aryan and Sharma name. Okay, so it's 12, showing the lane 12. Same as I just drag this function below the cell, and here you can see the length of every name. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.